Hello fellow anglers, Hank Manley here with a couple of thoughts about the super pliers. The jaws and cutting mechanism of the 6.5 inch, the 5-inch super plier, and the new 5.7 flip pallet super pliers are not made of titanium or stainless steel. Stainless steel cannot be brought up to sufficient hardness to render a lasting cutting tool. The jaws and cutting devices of the super pliers are a high tensile steel that is heat treated to a very hard condition to render a tool that will cut heavy monofilament and wire virtually forever. Raw steel is subject to corrosion, and to combat this problem, the jaws and cutting mechanisms of the 3 Manley super pliers are coated with Teflon that makes them virtually impervious to rust. The handles of the flip pallet 5.7 signature pliers are also coated with chrome to make them shiny and bright forever. This apple with a hook embedded could be your hand one day. I don't wish this on anyone, but if it happens and the barb makes removal difficult and painful, just take your Manley super pliers and cut the hook and then slide it gently out of your hand. And here's the flip pallet. It's a little more compact version of the 6.5 super plier. Same cutting mechanism, still the ability to snap a hook. And after a traumatic experience like having a hook in your hand, you might be interested in a medicinal beer, especially if you're down island where twist-off caps are not quite so prevalent. Just grab the bottle by the neck, put the cutting edge right there, and voila, instant pain relief. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you're interested in any of the Manley products, go to your local tackle shop. Hopefully they have some in stock. If not, they can find us at manleyindustries.com, where the full catalog appears, our phone number and our email address, and tight lines.